Thanks for all your support, guys. Thanks in 168 views in 670. Yeah, guys, that is easy. But thanks for 1000.2k viewers. I love you all, guys, and my viewers. I love you, and thanks for all supporting my videos. Promise, I'm gonna revenge what you do in my channel. So thanks for your all supporting things, and my heart is good because all you're supporting with my content. Guys, I'm a very small content creator, but thanks for your views. Thanks for my viewers. Like down comment if you want to shut up. I know, shut up. I know. Shut out. Like shut up. Break. Now guys, if you want to shut out, just comment and say please you can shut out me. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for all your support.